Inkscape Tutorial Stickman Animation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer to begin the process. Create a new document from the File menu so you have a blank workspace. Set the page size according to your needs, then enable the grid to help with alignment and proportions. Select the Circle tool and draw the head of the stickman as a simple circle. Use the Bezier tool to draw a straight body line extending downward from the head. Continue by drawing the arms and legs as clean lines connected to the body. Set the stroke color to a visible tone, then adjust the stroke width so the figure looks balanced. Group all parts together to keep the character organized. Duplicate the stickman and move the duplicate to the side for editing. Use the Node tool to edit the pose by adjusting points along the lines. Slightly change the leg position to simulate motion, then adjust the arms to match the movement. Create between 5 and 10 pose variations by repeating these adjustments. Align all frames horizontally in order from left to right. Export each frame as a PNG file using the export settings. Name the files sequentially so they remain organized. Open an external tool for animation and import all the frames in sequence. Set the animation speed to control how fast the motion appears. Preview the animation to check the flow and continuity. Adjust the timing if needed until the motion feels natural. Export the final result as a GIF or video file. Review the animation carefully to spot any awkward movement. Fix those issues by returning to the frames and refining the poses. If necessary, zoom in to refine node placement for smoother angles and cleaner motion. Keep movements small between frames to achieve a natural animation flow. Double-check file names before importing to avoid sequence errors. During preview, watch for sudden jumps or stiff transitions and correct them immediately. Finally, confirm the exported animation plays correctly on your device without issues.